Hey there. Are you always feeling tired even after sleeping 8 hours? Do you find it difficult to get out of bed or find your brain being your worst enemy? Then you need to stop whatever you're doing and listen to this, because this video presentation could be the ultimate solution to get rid of the nightmare called depression. I'm going to show you effective strategies for beating depression into the ground. You will discover how depression is affecting your life negatively and how to become happy again. Depression is highly treatable, and beating it will be truly life-changing. You will laugh, love, and live fully once you've climbed out of the dark hole of depression. Do you remember the last time you felt genuine, pure joy? If you find it difficult to answer this question, or the memory is in the distant past, then you are not alone. Chances are you might be one of 350 million people in the world living with depression. Unfortunately, most of them don't even know that they're suffering from depression. They walk through life unaware why a black cloud is hanging over them. Moody, unable to eat or sleep, unenergetic, and without passion, these people suffer silently, either alone or around others. Fortunately, depression is a treatable illness, and yes, it is an illness. I know it's scary to ask for help. Most people associate depression with a weak mind or a negative attitude. I'm sure you'd agree that this social stigma is causing the sick to continue suffering alone. What's worse, if you're below 18 or have a child who is, there is an 11% chance of depression. It's sad that the vulnerable have to hurt alone, don't you agree? With $80 million lost in loss of productivity and healthcare for this mental illness, it's important that we remove the social stigma once and for all. Imagine waking up with energy, ready to take on the world. It's rainy outside, but you're not bothered. A song keeps repeating in your head, so you sing out loud as you shower. People would want you around all the time with that kind of joyful energy. Well, today's your lucky day, because I'm sharing with you my entire research and study on how to get out of depression and become a happier you. And I've decided to compile only the most important information into one incredible blueprint. Understanding depression, 11 myths about depression, winning strategies against depression, and many more. I'm giving you the opportunity to follow my method and transform yourself into something you won't be able to recognize. It's your chance now to be free of your illness and unleash your inner self. Introducing Killing Depression, overcoming your worst nightmares so you can start living your dreams today. Killing Depression is your go-to master guide on living life on your own terms by getting out of depression. Understand the mental illness inside out so you can identify the symptoms within you or your loved ones. Find out scientifically tested methods, both with and without medication, to be free at last. Everything in this book has been shown to work. Here's what I'll be sharing with you exclusively. How to turn your mind from an oppressive enemy into an encouraging friend. How to regain the life energy that will give you happiness, enthusiasm, energy, and libido. How winning the fight against depression can magically cure your joint aches and back pain. How to share your true personality with others so you can make close friends and find love, and so much more awaiting to be uncovered inside. Here's the deal. Promise me you'll put everything you've learned into the next 30 days. These proven methods are easy to implement. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. However, I do need to remind you that you're letting go of the chance to turn your life around if you choose to click away from this offer. But if Killing Depression isn't every bit as fantastic as I say it is, simply return the product and you will get every penny back. No questions asked. You have my word on it. So why wait when you take no risk? If you act now, I'll throw in these 2 free bonuses. Mega bonus number 1, complete checklist. A checklist containing step-by-step actionable guidelines for you to make the whole healing process clearer. Mega bonus number 2, a comprehensive mind map. A visual, interactive mind map outlining everything you're going to find throughout the entire book. You get all the bonuses for free, only if you act today. So what are you waiting for? Your dreams are waiting for you to beat depression. I've helped countless numbers of people using this amazing blueprint. Please do yourself a favor and try it out. I know you'll be amazed. Happiness is not for the lucky few. You can be happy too. Your health and life matters. So, beat this mental illness now with tested and proven methods. Click the buy button today to order before this deal is gone for good.